Hi guys, in today's video we're going to ask Bart AI what are the 3 best ways to save money. This is the second episode of our collection. In the first episode we talk about what is personal finance, what is money, and why it is so important for people to be financially educated. In this episode over here guys, we are going to ask about what are the best 3 ways to save money. This is very important topic guys. This is something what people have been wondering for quite some time. Let's see what Bart AI will generate as the best strategies from the Google search itself. According to Bart AI, the step number 1 for everyone who wants to save more money will be simply to start tracking their own spending and their habits about spending money. First of all, know where your money goes before you can save. You need to understand how your money are actually leaving your pocket. You need to understand every single month what you actually spend money on. The second one is, of course, the budgeting for savings. Essentially, when you know how much money you're spending, when you know how much money you're earning, you're capable to create your own budget. You will know exactly how much money in any circumstance you will be able to save. This is what actually stands behind budgeting and saving. In chapter 2, Bart AI goes beyond that. Reduces the unnecessary expending is something that is extremely important. A lot of people are looking to spend the extra money that they would be making on a weekly or monthly basis. First of all, as usual, the main challenge for everyone is, to be tempted to spend the extra money that they earn, because anyway, this money should not be in their hands in the first place. So this is why strategy number 1 will be to challenge every purchase and to ask yourself, do you really need this item, and is this item will make your life better? The second prong over here is essentially to realizing that the food probably is one of your biggest expenses, and you should consider spending more time at home cooking. Learning how to cook will also be very beneficial for you in your future. The third prong over here is to review the recurring subscriptions. This is something that is very current in present times. People do have 20-30 subscriptions, paying $500-$600 a month, and in most cases guys, they don't really realize this. The third chapter over here focuses on automation of your savings. Essentially, you want to set up a particular amount of money that will not hurt your lifestyle, will not hurt your daily needs, and you want to make sure that this is actually going straight towards your savings account. Not everyone is designed to invest or to know about investing, so savings is actually the first step towards this process. So step by step, it's the way to go. No one expects you to make 10 steps at once, right? Second step, according to Bart AI, is considering high yield savings accounts. This is unfortunately not the greatest at this point, considering the inflation rates and all the different opportunities on the market. But like I mentioned, once people build up the good amount of savings and build the good habits, they can definitely look for better opportunities to invest their money. And the last bonus tip that was also given here by Bart AI is, you need to set savings goals, which later will essentially become investing goals. You want to focus on what you really want to achieve, how long would it take you to achieve, and you gotta put the work, you gotta put the time, and you gotta put the discipline. That's without all these 3 steps and 3 formats of putting dedication into this, you're not going to be able to do it. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe for this channel, like this video, and come back for more.